Today you and I are going to do some model railroad track work. We're going to lay some Peco flex and turnouts, not Atlas, Peco Code 80 flex and turnouts, a curved turnout as well. We're going to do it on my N-scale model railroad. We're going to get to work and we're going to do it right now. Hey, this is Brian with the Iron Horse Route, home of the Denver and Rio Grande Western, welcoming you to my part 2 of the T-loop. In part 1, all I did was lay the structure for the track work that we're going to be doing today. This is a series. It's only a 2-part series, but it is a series, so if you haven't seen part 1, you should be able to go follow the card that's in the top left of the corner right now and go ahead and click on it, and you can watch the playlist in its entirety. Alright, if you're new to the channel, I want to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe and click the bell icon. And I want you to stick around for what we're going to see today, because I'm going to show you trains running at the end, y'all, so don't go anywhere. In that top right corner out there is where the curved turnout will be. There's turnout, well shoot, that's 2 or 3, and that comes into all these guys up here. All Peco turnouts, not Atlas. I've had nothing but problems with Atlas turnouts, and maybe I didn't give it enough chance, but Pecos have been strong and solid for me. And here we're coming into our new stuff. Again, top left corner is the curved turnout that is the most important. That is going to be the one that comes in from the main line. Alright, just getting everything set in. Really like the way it looks. It looks clean. And I've got there's a future terminus that I've got going to be coming off there. It's actually going to give me the ability to park much longer trains, and I'll go into that when I do the supports for that in an upcoming episode. Doing a little bit of testing here, just making sure that I don't have any problems. I did have a little one there. You can actually see the problem there, the glue. Just making sure that it's level. I cleaned it and made sure it was level. Here is a new technique that I have started to use for in-scale track, along with the new track setter, which I haven't got a video on yet, but the two in conjunction is going to make my track laying a whole lot easier, and I got a video coming up on how I did this right here. It's kind of self-explanatory, but I am going to do an individual video about laying track securely and snugly in scale flex track using these push pins and a certain size drill bit. They need to be on a harder surface under the cork than just foam, though, so it won't work for everybody. And the part everybody likes to see, not only do we have a train running, it's not just locos. I got some cars on, and I got quite a few cars on for my layout, everybody. And I want to show you that we have been primarily successful. What I'm testing in this video is the main line. I did lay the other spurs and everything, but I'm not going to show all that. That will be a future video as well when we test all that track work out. What I'm doing right now again is this train came straight through the main line, and now it's going through our nice friend the helix. And we actually have found right up there I'm having a little problem on occasion, and that's where you got that. It just slipped on me for a second. By the time I walked up to it, it was gone. But here we come back down. And I named this the T-loop for this picture right here, y'all. As this guy comes around and I pull up, you'll have seen several pictures on Google of that loop that looks similar to this shot, something right like that right there. I love that. That looks so cool. And that's something that you don't always see on the oval helix, and so that I do enjoy seeing that. We are clean through two turnouts right there and running down. As you can see, I got a line to the right and a line to the left, and we are not testing those today. I want to encourage you to leave a comment if you have not already. I want to thank y'all for watching today, and if you're not already a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be alerted to future uploads, because I got a video coming out next week on locomotive and freight car maintenance and upgrades that you're not going to want to miss, everybody. It's coming out 2 weeks after the video upload of this one. Look forward to seeing y'all and chatting with y'all then. Don't forget to leave a comment if you stuck around this far. Leave a comment for me and tell me what you think. I've got a lot of scenery work that's being done on the helix as well. I'm excited to show y'all that. That's 2 episodes from now. Don't forget to catch Back on Track on Saturday mornings at 10 a.m. or excuse me, Trackside over on the Back on Track channel, Saturday mornings at 10 a.m. Also, don't forget to catch our community roundhouse. That's the second Wednesday of every month. And next month, episode 4 should be on Cousin Vinny BNSF 6951's channel, if I'm not mistaken. I want to thank y'all for watching today. Take care, everybody.